Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to access office hours on Zoom. I've added a link over here in the left-hand menu, which stops right here for you. And all you need to do is click on Confer Zoom. And you'll see here that I have standing office hours on Monday and Wednesday at 10:30. So anytime that you want to access those office hours, just click on office hours right here and Zoom will automatically open up and you'll be able to see me and your classmates if people have their videos on. You can attend Zoom either with your video on or your video off. Ask me questions. You can show me your screen if you want to show me a draft of your paper. And I can also show you my screen and help you work through things in the class. There's also an option to set up your own appointment with me. So if these office hours don't work for you, but you would like to review a paper with me or just talk about the class in general, just send me an email and we can set an appointment and I can set up your own Zoom call. Okay, definitely let me know if you have any questions.